남시 강도 중에 로셔 야라 로셔 빈다서 야라 로셔 로셔 라와 랑젠체도 로셔
Lama yubjana narwa soyana ngai ai kompo love san ke soyana ngai me wa shom sana kambo soyana ngana lembe dor jala soyana ngana Dor jala soya. Pero suzina ta nyantak pa yoso. Tinang gobji ni du tatri. Mani mugir tatri tanirton jakulori. Tamai pita udainse kishigo ranganda umekita. Jiu tambana bi perna sosu chima zona machoko. Harasra nar karna machoko. Jarum bochina udahip kemanjik. Kurda chamgurum bochina udahip kemanjik. Temechi zondi ta karda chamgurum bochina rangar chaila mari jarum bochina ta chiga chokyak samgo chiga yonno kake jabranda tagranda ko chiga namshir ta wainra chokyak samgo tenda de ta simur chonanda dignanda ti tanga ta janaga hipkanji ko ji kambodara jangar tanda jam sur ko chi thalone thalo jangar tanda jam su da hipkanji ko oda rang gogo jinda morgunda uchi
지금께서는 주기자 보내나요? 누가 참여를 해서 비교시켰어요. 아니 내 도시시나 까먹었지. 망하게 넘기라기 앞에는 우리 우리가 없으시면 넘기라 아니 접지점으로 실은 이들 정말 두개 로라인도 그냥 도시에 비교가 넘기라 정말에 아니 이내 나와서 혼자 아니 김제 맞아봐 아니 이제는 이런 진짜 무슨 컨디션이야 이게라 아니 로스가 좀 이제 이내 미도 쪽에를 말 저를 정말에 아니 비교가 그냥 신경이 아니 가려는 거게 년주체 전에도 나도 재미도 상황에 이 자외도 지나가는 비라도 맞아 잡히는 거래 아니 기다 저기 난다 내가 아무 먹고 싶도 뒤에서 말하는 데라 아니 지금까지 라게 아니 남기라게 이 kalupnawa kabla bisu ani engineer di test gyojin chairman award mo di mga kingiwa yun sa bay engineer ya to kita la to malde andi da joki da alolo di chamsi lo in sa bala the yo compassion wa yun sa mga to sila che ma mo shi le de hasa zawen ga de le so ma 대배치 대디에서 만데 그거는 제가 뭐 제가 잡아려서 사파사 뒤에 막 미마도 오페디서 만네 어떻게 저거 중에 제피마 남편을 같이 소소도 아니 내가 쳐서라 때 실로 밀을 담는 거 같았어 아니 소소 내가 쳐서 예에 다는 친구가 받는데 일단 미리 준비해 줘야 하는데 남편이 콜레지 동안 때문에 콜레지 안에 뭐 스텝 배치 그래서 엔터체나 상황
참말로 저시딜라 더니 너네 참아 필요는 그냥 답반이 되지 제시는 더니 맞주다 진짜리 원능가 니스탄시가 할리와는 자적진노 니 다 니스톤 종아고 다 지위 니거치 그냥 마인스 거기 아치탄즈 좀 펜치만 거니 그 자름부치 그프럽 정즈 돈다 워치자 상마 비자탁스 코는다 자강 탄진 점투 그 지철로니 철로쇼 자강 탄진 점투 다 켄지고 그다 점고름 부치고 다 켄지고 다랑강 고진인 거니 제위 물고 페나다라 파우 춤존이 그 캄보디아인 두두인 그 거니 로 종합 종아리 tani kalma chezma mangore ngoni zone dara tani wajahanti sirti kalma samchuzum godna dara era to korne kangana dinda nye yikin sk jeb taraqshad da trigita
Just to thank all and thank you all for coming. You all know all this urgent situation inside Tibet. In 2015, October 21st, I raised a portrait of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and shouted the slogans of "Long live His Holiness the Dalai Lama" and "Let His Holiness the Dalai Lama return to Tibet" and "Let His Eminence Gyaltsab Rinpoche to return to Tibet." And I raised this voice with my sister Denzin Joma, and both of us were 15 years old back then. Within 10 minutes, the Chinese police personnel came and get us, arrested us, and about 30 minutes, they started beating us and took us to the detention center.
tani ngani nangab dina dara chinya chimtsang sangi kepper kangayo tani hamag mnyasho antansho chinik che yar na inasi ngani ga uda rangang go jar buchi uda hipkanji go gozi.
And they took us to the interrogation room and kept asking us questions, specifically asking us who you are connected to, what organization you are working for, and asked us to provide names of parents and give them the oral forms, and kept telling us why did you raise protests?
아니 너무 또 저거 도와인 저거 말 강제로 담배 캠게 저거 뒤쪽에 쳤는 데랑 강아 총총 그나 된다 살이 결혼한다 제가 납치 직지였는데 뒤는데 니적 저게 저거 니까 문제가 있고 차글었다는데 니 잠적이 컨트롤적 들리는데 진짜 제한 보지는 속발이 진짜 이쯤은 속발쇼 속소스요 정컨한 조건은 하고요.
They took us to the detention center in Barkang. In Chinese, it calls Markang Shen, and they put us in the detention room, and kept asking us questions, asking us who are we related to, which organization you are connected to, and kept slapping us on the face and keep kicking us and keep interrogating us.
아니 나초 저거 니스톤 제거 저거 나초 노린 감스면 저거 check은 콜로 건데 이미 존칸 뭐 디다 아니 니스톤 거니 화오 트라피당 어 펀초 잠초 가르장 꼼초인데 랑리 메르디 모즈 땅리 나초 오다 장가 메니고 나초 인스 자르고치 오다 힙고니 고게츠고 나초 야르나 이거 요레 나초 오다 장고 자르고치 오다 힙케지 고고 그때 장고를 붙이고 다 입게지고 나수 자름 붙이는 자고 나수 오다 장고
At the detention center, when they asked why did you raise protests, and I told them back that in 2008 you guys had bloodshed inside Tibet and put a lot of Tibetans into prison and killed a lot of them, and especially monks like Drapi, Lobsang, and Gomcho self-immolated themselves, and their call is freedom for Tibet, and let His Holiness return to Tibet, and let Kipten Rinpoche return to Tibet.
드니 고송아스라 지는데라 지지긴 디미는데 yar랑는데 최차기 그 제바를 못 집게 맙지가 요늘이 춘 디미 그 돌아와니 저가 심장가 타니 그 소소 노르름 투선이 런고니 그 캠보잠데 이나와가 먼저기 님님은 그 통고고요.
And the guard was telling me that it's because of you who are raising protests, and that was the reason why why His Holiness the Dalai Lama is not able to return to Tibet. And he said that since you are a nomad, you can spend your time at the hill and say all these protest slogans to the animals that you heard.
아니 샘통이 못도고 뉴도고
When I said all this and told them that we need to raise the voice for freedom, and then the guards tells us this lady is going insane.
아니 실고자 총총도고 디노니 그 자나가 제트른데 그 니가 마소 우터스 셔켄 지지 마르고치네 자르고치니 입게면제 마순 자가면지고 시진핑 그 제케 손데 제케와 픽처션에 좋고 마소 치즈게 인스그 입신노르 자르고치 오다 입게면지네 마소 오더 좀 보고 드니 추 우터스 거니 하고 춘디미 총총들이 드니 니진다 우터 하고요 나로도 저크 시로 따가 상키다 니마요늘 진짜다 손이 시도
In the detention center, there's a small window that I can see a Chinese flag. And I started asking the interrogator that why Xi Jinping, as a Chinese leader, can go to all the foreign countries with Chinese flag, but why Tibetans are not allowed to have portrait of His Holiness and keep the faith to His Holiness the Dalai Lama or the Tibetan flag. And then the interrogator asked me, how did you know about Tibetan flag, and Tibetan flag, and asked me to describe it. And then I started describing the flag, the colors, and the snow lines. And then the interrogator told me that such a monster that how did you even know all these things?
아니 시고 차가로 진짜 차리 결합당다 맞주 리홍이 쳐진으로 지금가 함나수 야간요가 아니 코수 차와체거든요. 저 코수 양식 감난데 안그 여름 토갑직들이 코수 두출에가 남니 아니인데 진다 Tani ham hadada kanjina sunterge.
In the interrogation room, they raised the temperature to 150, and when we are asked whether the temperature is high enough or not, and when we say yes, they will raise the temperature even higher, and it makes our body too unbearable to the head, and our body sweats, and the sweats are actually going into our shoes and making it really sticky. For those kind of sense, they are interrogating us in such a bad situation, and the guards are actually changing hourly with their barefoot and coming in really relaxed clothing.
Tani ngatsu uda rangang guwatsi, yaran buchi uda hepkanji guwatsi. Ngatsu shiga simdika, ngatsu yaran buchi jagoyo, ngatsu uda rangang guwatsi.
And I told him Tibet needs freedom, and we want His Holiness to return to Tibet. And I feel really sad about it. And I told him again about all this requests.
Tani nyenshab zhiga zhiga kagdo ina dara, ta zhashi zongze juda, chochi zongze zoyin zhiga, ta lukchik tanga dawa xiga yin zhiga, chamtag mapcha da yin zhiga kagnirita. Tani nyef chirtang kub jignir dasa waka, yinna yang nganyigay muksir ka yin zhiga, nye kır dina dara, ta zatsing tanga zepshit jipshung wanda dara, tegu.
For 6 days, we were kept in that detention center in Barkam and kept torturing us. After that, they took us to Joshsong, a detention center in Joshsong, and another detention center in Chochusong, and kept us at the Dushu detention center for 1 year and 1 month. Usually, at the detention center, you are allowed to have 12 people detained together, but me and my sister were put into solitary confinement by ourselves and kept interrogating us monthly and sometimes weekly.
Tani gozu zatsik da dimi jipshung wanda dara, ta chamkana chimiri archik gaz, marchik gaz. Java Rinpoche in Tsig Chicha Margo of Trusundari. Java Rinpoche in Tsigu, Chicha Gombaz in Yoju Margo Chita, Chicha Kurma Kermakam of Jimani was. Chichikin Dimi Java Rinpoche in Dimi in the Darajam, Panto Makers. Just kept chasing at Tumbichivers.
And every month they will come to interrogate us and keep asking us questions, and they keep saying, "Are you happy in prison?" After you end up in prison, and they keep saying that His Holiness left Tibet and not able to help you anymore, and he's not able to even give you clothes or even a single dime to you. So he's not helpful you when you are needed.
Jopa Archigosi, Tani Jopa Marchigosi. Tani Jerkim Dimitrinche, Tani Kozu in Simchan Town, Ta Sosu Sergeant Honja Kori Las one Jerkim Kujanari, Chisiga Tummaje, Jerkim Boxuris. Tani Natsu in Hamasu in Nani Tower, Matsu Hamasu, Sosum Badon, Matsu Jerkim Kustamari.
And they kept asking me if I am regret about what I did, and I kept answering back that I don't feel regret. They were telling me that the country is giving you everything, while you are not so grateful for the country. And I told them back that these things are coming from our parents and great parents, our ancestors.
Tani Jopa in Tutsu Trini Lana, Namo Tutsu Ta good Timism Yana Majuba. Tani Kachap Shasayo Mari, Ta Gikunga, Tombosga, Tashima, Choncho, Tinani in Singo, Ta Machaka Haraton, Serason, Wooker no Jono, chose America, Tani, Ta Zamaza Rangoka, some the Diaga, Jamayondi, or Rangoka, and the dear time, Chichigameko.
And at the detention center and at the solitary confinement, we were kept there we are not allowed to sleep from 6 a.m. in the morning till 9 p.m. evening. and there's a small window in the solitary confinement. The only thing you can see is the guards who are just going back and forth, and the only thing you can see is that and the sunrise and sunset, and you can only tell that your Buddha is about to serve by looking at the sunrise and sunset.
Tani ta shiga haliwa ga chego chegdi yintigo gongo to so shesson da nan na ay moko tani zama yin jopa yintigo tam jikuz ga yintigo chego na jiya me ga dimiz ga khozir mabcheko daga zama ga na yintigo ta zanyama ga nyama yintigo haksha yori yinna yan kosu yintigo minton tani fagtan tani shimbak yoga ko tadara tani kosu zalgan tono dara tani na bada dimiyo.
And it is really very cold in the detention center, and sometimes your toes is froze to a level that you are not able to feel your toes. And the food quality is really bad in the detention center. All we get is a congee with watery, with a few rice in it. We do get some meat weekly, but used meat that we get is really in a bad situation where you get pork with the furs, and sometimes the guards will give us the leftovers of what they have eaten.
Tani samre ko janaka machcha yong dara na nokshirin yong nokshirin dara nga tsu konjen da chikita nga yin ko kangzi da harasra jid dara lugyer da nga tsu woziya da nyezga marchga simchen nawjin tsu kusu.
And sometimes the guard will come to your solitary confinement and start throwing away all the clothes that you have and keep stepping on it. And in that sense, they are not treating you as a human, but less than an animal.
Tani tan samre di choche zone da zina jurcha meko. Tani nang yin ko ta nga tsu jintsuk tani chi zama nga shu zina da zaje gurgu yin ko kormo jana ko kormo chig ni da wina zonkhan nani yin ko kormo chip jonga nishi ni dara trig zungo.
At the detention center in Chochu Zone, we are not given breakfast. There's a chance to buy snacks at the detention center, but then these snacks in the market, ordinary market, you can get it for $1, but at the detention center, it is sold around $15 or $20.
Ni kozu yarchir tifshon dara jopa marchiges. Cho dimi pag chonchoria. Hama da nyamtu da marchiges. Cho nama in zga jugli sosuk cho dara hango simchem soju mana go kugu chundimi yonari. Ta zonkhan marchika zama ta shigar kaga. Cho jopa marchige jopa chig duna cho tongtong nyag go zonkhan ni shom qaris.
And at the detention center, they kept asking me if I am regret about what I did. And they kept saying that you are such a young child who doesn't know anything. And you definitely like to spend time with your family, right? And keep saying that if you say you are regret, then they can release you from the detention center and let you go.
Jopa marchigozi. Natsu jal bochi namim takkoyzi. Chuzu natsu long nangarta namjin javar bochi chichig lilip chipchedo kumurkum chindig yore thonko yore.
And I told them that I don't feel regret, and I told them that we will retain the faith to His Holiness Dalai Lama firmly, and His Holiness, like you all, surveilling all the people in Tibet, he knows everything around. He's looking over all sentient beings.
Nirton chichik da chichik nihig nimayin sik janak jong chupsup par nim no dara nganya zina dara ta chinya chimtak che jandari 진짜 님을 버그 총총이요. zonkhana marchik gazi. Jo parchig du dara koni tsik chinya ga shartu ga kare jon ko tsik remek ngagnaris. Jo parchig duzi. Jo pa marchig gazi. Tani chini ti ngo te ta nyepsat ta chokchum china ta tannak da chong jamnala ngo te jir urgozi. Jir murgozi. Chini yichi mani jo parchig du da koni tsik chinya shartu ga kare. Jo pa marchig gazi.
2016, October 22nd, two pro bono lawyers came to see us, and they told us that they were assigned by the government, and they told me if I say if we say we are with it, they can let us go by telling them that they can't help us. But I told them that we won't say that. And they told us again that if you want your case to be changed to murder case, burglary case, or selling narcotics instead of having a crime that is splitting the country. And I said no to that.
Tani da chirchik pe nyakh sam go yin ko jokpa yin ko ta chaktak cha ju zu gob zigri. Tani nandi yara landa sosu jawar mbo chi tang. Sosu sai lama kardar mbo chi tang. Tani churchong homa yin ko sosu mulam jeb sosu shang sa sosu yin ko khando su ton ju ton yin dara ta tradig ni ti jana jong go yin ko mag cha yon dara lakchik jam da yin ko ta lankur nanga chanda da ta chamra nanga chita didi yangchir yin ko kare chinda dishung ta jopa archigos jopa marchigos tana chu jawar mbochi ko par zona da jagan stanzan jam tur ko chitro ni chro sho jagan stanzan jam so da kenji ko kardar jamgur mbochi da kenji ko da ranga go din da chu chora wani tim kambur jawais jawad jopa marchigos jopa marchigos tani tsik nganya tsik lok samsmi tsik chamtab jata.
In 2016, October 23rd, was the trial date. On that date, I prayed for His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the deities that I believe in. After that, the guards came in and handcuffed us and took us to the courtroom. Before going to the courtroom, they interrogated us separately again and kept asking questions here and there. While we are reaching the court, they asked us again if we have raised portrait of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and asking for His Holiness to return to Tibet and long live His Holiness Tibet, all the slogans. And I told him, yes, we did it. When we gave that answer, we were sentenced for 3 years.
Ni chamkhun dara da magdara nyantak pa mego khosu yin tsik ngo so ni maro lo ta ya da da chamsuk pa ba meniga tani haran jo diri sara yon diri jip tang yon loblang di jin dara luk sam ga taro manun nares dig doklai.
In the courtroom, it was only the judge and the police personnel or the guards and the two lawyers. Other than that, there's no public, even though there are seats. Before coming to the courtroom and leaving the courtroom, we were singing, and one of the guards was asking if 3 years is not enough for you, and I answered that it's fine for me.
Tani chamtab chan da yin ko nyamta da nan jiko ge tani ngani din da ngani chamtab jajon re nyamta din nan jikre din da jikmare jana jong kun chuchi yo maris chini tsik nyamta din chukmar ngani nyamta mar dit.
After the sentence, I heard that usually people are allowed to put together into the detention center, but then when we are asking the guards whether me and my sister could be put together, they rejected that request and telling us that because you are connected to Dalai Click or the organization on Tibet, you are not allowed to get that kind of privilege.
아니 다四川市建阳市阳马镇子上我家那个我们个专科切学几个那样子个我那个家的，gortak cherchigo那你gortak gama那样子个，亲的那么种个。
So after that, they took us to the biggest female prison in Sichuan province, Yangmazhen, in Yangmazhen. And in the prison, there are 11 facilities, and we were put into facility number 9. And in facility number 9, we were given military training.
아니 이 gortak ganda 나 정말 센다 다와니 아니리 옛나야 나초 가서 믹서 케스 그 다와 섬니 그 제스 그 먹종 게 자tum 자가다 딜 첨콩난 게 이게 제가 응주다 단가 좀 첨체가 디그 다와 찍고 나인 그 참만 좀 참내고 가시 마자나 너무 창게 그 두쪽 찍니 아니 그 냐가 문제가 랑가지.
So in facility number 9, usually the Chinese prisoners are given 2 months of military training, but to the Tibetans they extended that training and giving 3 months to 4 months of military training. It's supposed to be 1 month that you are supposed to memorize all the constitutions or the regulations within the prison in Chinese. And when you are not able to memorize all those things, then they are punishing you by not letting you go sleep until 1 or 2 a.m. in the morning, and kept giving us pressures like that.
Je pas tout trini lande namo tout ge yin ce chimna amjong kenji tani zani mandana na ngasu yore yenna ya ngasu ke manji ga yin ce amjong ke ji langab ji chatim satim cha loza ke ji daga namo chanara nyasi ta nya ga mji do ga ta mai ti nya ga ji tani ngasu upa so yin ce ko mser ke yin ce ko to su nyegar sab jon ce ko honding ne yo ni harasar ke chapshin da mu choko 자순날 깨첩신다 좋고 있나야 맞추 오빠서 무척고 점점 치즈가 진짜 자름 붙이는 촉발이.
From 6 a.m. in the morning and 9 p.m. at night, we were giving military training and kept asking us to memorize the constitution. And when we are not able to do it, they are punishing us. Sometimes they let us sleep on the floor, not on the bed. In the prison, Tibetans specifically discriminated, and we are not allowed to have conversation into Tibetan. Especially to those Tibetan prisoners, they have assigned 2 Chinese prisoners to watch us 24/7.
Tani tangi 자tum 자 로마즈네 tani 냥떡바 용노다라 아니기 또 zonda ngalaga zara 용노다 안욕지 송 출 니마 책은 전 그연스마 tani zankur즈 전 당인 전 골라이.
If I wasn't able to memorize the constitution and the regulations, there's guards who are really sort of discriminating on the Tibetans, and she came to me with the stick and she about to beat me when I told her I'm not able to memorize it. When she said how long it's going to take you to memorize it, and I told her that I will try to memorize it within a week.
tani achi gortok niema ta ngai gortok tripa ma na chajta ta tinani chimdina liskali gogo a lik zupta halwa ge chimbuyo tani likan ngarja tijab dinjab jeje da liskali gogo kaje mansa na namun changi tutsuk chigni ni langab chi tani morjong kabji tek.
So after from facility number 9, we were divided into facility number 2. My sister put into facility number 2, and myself was put into facility number 6. These 2 facilities are actually a labor camp, supposed to be a huge factory, and we were assigned to make 500 to 600 of the projects they are assigned us to make.
Tani Chin na Lika Lidi, Harasran Gunamajo, Nika Tada, Luxia, Neo, Matsu, Niki, Maria, Trollaujo, Shermu Mako. Tani Kuptos went to Zana da Malo.
So it's a huge labor camp, the facility itself, and they kept watching us to work on the labor in the labor camp, hard labor. They have put 2 light tubes right in front of our eyes and not giving any goggle to protect our eyes, so it will hurt our eyes badly. Because of working so many hours, sometimes your hips and your bodies are not able to bear with the pain, and your hips and butt usually get a lot of bruises from all these tortures.
Tani da Natsu Nine Mentos when Natsu Payas Marguchida, Sirens or Noya Timidri. Tani Kashing also Chinagazina, Chu Jarumbu in Chokura, Chu Chimgo Wagari in the Dara, Chu Chinera, Chu Mangwe Maras.
When we are getting sick, the Tibetan political prisoners get sick, the medication they give is actually expired. Instead of curing our pain, it will make our body feel much more worse. And sometimes the God would say, since you have such a pride in His Holiness the Dalai Lama and for Tibet, you are able to bear the pain that you have.
Tani ta Tumtok Jana Darens, Zav Jermias Guntoni, Hargan Tama Topoins, Taga Yusu, that Zatsikan, Tana Chunari. The Hargango, when you walk a jam, the Kerman Yamamango Kosu Nyendigo, Shana Chokomari, Chimini Jerky Jabor in the Hersepaja.
After months in the prison, my dad was able to get a chance to come to visit me. Usually, other prisoners are allowed to have visitors to come to visit and have 30 minutes of conversation with your relatives. When my dad came to see me, we were speaking in Tibetan, and within 5 minutes, they cut us off because we were speaking Tibetan.
Jet is when Kosuin Zazik, Nomi and Sikum, Triker, Tani Zazik, Nani Kaperjam Nachuko, Natsu Paso Meko, Machuko, Timigins, Merka.
The Chinese prisoners in the prison, they are allowed to send letters or have visitors or make calls to their family and friends monthly, but to the Tibetans, those rights are taken away and not given any chance.
The new Hanga women, Samja Jibja, Yamten, Chijago, Chetos in the Nyono maker. The Nishigo Tomatos, Nemanatsu, the Shigo women trusting of Shoni, Shigo, Chu maker, and that's how you with him.
The sanitary or the health the condition inside the prison is really bad, especially the women's around 300 and 400 women need to take shower together, and sanitary need for the women are not given, and sometimes for shower water is given too little.
Tani Justin to go there, I knew the cows and to go Thomas go to chicken and to Chanjo, Jet Thomas Chanjo. In Nayam, I saw John Conan, but you say this in the Murcharia. Timmy took a murk, Halley,
So in the prison, when the prisoners have the last 2 months of sentence, they are allowed to go to facility number 11, which is supposed to be a relaxed or better environment facility. So all the Chinese prisoners are allowed to go to that facility, but the Tibetans are not allowed to, not given that right or allowed to go to that facility. And Tibetans are giving labors until they get out from the prison.
Niston Georgia Davap New York chicken mines, a chingany, John Conan and Vajuin, Nimatari. 옛날에 언니 그 뭐차 열주고 냔떡 빠다 내가 좀 그냥 떡 봐요인데 영실 그녀를 있는데 냔떡 봐지는데 하마다니 소수 대화긴 그 봄보도 소 와르게 캡지 직티 작업지 팀에 그 사이 작업지
In 2018, October 21st, was supposed to be the date that we are supposed to release. Usually, families and friends can come to get you out from prison, but for us to, me and my sister, the village level police department and county level police department to receive us, and they kind of forced the village head and my parents to sign the paperwork and put their fingerprint to make sure that I am not gonna commit similar sort of action or similar sort of crime in the future unless they will go into jail.
내가 집중하는데 주다 야는 그랬어 하고 오면서 내가 주 나로가 무슨 요한 나가 있네 소수 나다 니사 니르쿠르당 점로엔 그 저가 간튼 지나 뭐죠 거소 특징성 남을 줬어 내가 주 농파 말도 뭐 잠바 직접 손 남을 줬어.
And interrogators asked me again, would you protest again or make similar kind of crimes in the future? And I told them I wasn't able to tell you about this. And what they have told us is that we are not allowed to gather, have the right to make any organizations or getting connected with the other political prisoners that you have known in the past, and we are not given the right to our mobility. We were captured into our village, and they are not letting us go over the limit of the village boundary.
당이 리드 존컨하는 의지고 거지나뭐 심 남용 존컨하요 그야 존드 그런 하나 메고 삼로 하나 메고 팀에서 그 자와를 보지고 급발스다 자와를 보지고 손주다 직장 있는 년나 뭐 참겠지.
So although my body is out of a prison, but my mindset is still kept into a prison because our mobility freedom is taken away, our mental or belief freedom is taken away, and we are not even allowed to have a portrait or any text or any audio video that is connected to His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
다들이 니스통 니허 작슴 그 대발 나위 니마이츠고 다저 롱바인주 용주 고급 지나 시그럭송.
So finally in 2023 in May I have received the chance to escape and step into a land of freedom.
땅안드나 지나 존컨나 lok스미스 그 점떡자들 데리다. 나들은 식식사 잠리. 나도 남신 나리 데리 하기스 그 동청만 보 나도 너긴 감순다 뇽고요. 시체데 나도 머르게 쳇데. 고종 나라고 신득산을 싹좀 내지 그 롭종아 직슴 제급 제캡자이는 뭐고요. 시체데 나도 머르게 쳇데 고수 탑수 있고요. 나도 시그도 셈나한 전주도 세만 나주도 시그 같이 모들이. 팀마체가 나도라 실로나 요노수 시그 있고 소소 머르게 쳇데 시그 탑수 있고 저도 시그 같이 모들이.
So in my case, I have stayed in prison for 3 years. It's 3-year sentence. But there are thousands of Tibetans who are from all 3 regions of Tibet who are still suffering. And many of them have put into prison for 9 years, 8 years. And these are for the sake of the freedom of Tibet and not for any individual cause. So we need to know about this and we need to remind us all the time. And especially for those people those Tibetans who are diaspora in other countries, we need to remind this.
Natsuina Tatana Chipu Dimu and the Sosun Dimu Dayore. Yenna Natsun Dorin Kamsuma, Natsu, whom Murkish Satonga Chetan, Sanji Tamba Chapshakoton, Tata Katsu Gurgu Yongo, Katsu Gurgu Sakayore, Anyoko Yore, Chamtak Chakayore.
Many of us have been living outside of Tibet in other countries, but for Tibetans who are in Tibet, they are suffering. They are getting bitten. They are getting sentenced. They are getting killed.
Kotsuina Natsu Murkachetda, Natsu Murku Chutan Region, Kayakachet, Tatsu Chigayore. Sosu Rangsho in Binabjan Drogayore. Natsu Jada in the Trichip Dunches is only made of Taja, doing Kamsum. The sea chettery, Natsu Murk chettery. Natsu Murk Jay, that don't chettery. New Kuratan, Chumson Kurza Chetamari. Natsu she into the same at the Turgo to Nagobi. Natsu Tapsu go to the Shigakachi Buzri. Natsu Mopus Gatarum Yunga Yore.
And they did it for Tibet. They did it for Tibet, and they're still suffering inside Tibet. They're actually putting their life at a cost to fight for Tibet. There have been over 160 Tibetans have self-immolated for Tibet, and this is done for Tibet, but not for individual case or individual family. So Tibetans, we need to remember this.
Tatana, Katsu Sonkana, Jardon Yonada, Stokum Daran, Chinger, T. Kanger Tanda, Simga in Sako, Ta Kanger Dara, Sternum, Jignum, Katsu Gurgu Yonguyor, Yena Yangatsu Murkichet the Kos, Tapsu Chigiyor. Natsu Shigo, the same name Mubura, Natsu Abshaloni in Sako. Womerk Tamba Master Kuartanga soon tap to a judicial catching.
At this very moment, there are thousands of Tibetans who are still struggling, who are still getting tortured by Chinese authority, who are still hungered by the Chinese authority. And they are struggling because of Tibet, and this is something that all of us Tibetans have to remind us and carry forward our movement further.
So, Lini in Siko, Womerk Tamba Chapsuk in Siko, Bujum the Katsu Gurguyore. In the Kosush, Masha in Sikota, Tata Zonkan on the loop Jagay done the Dara, Tata and the Zonkan on the Shuso and John the Kuramaker. Li Homo took a Masari, Taro in the Kosu, Nyostupton, Haxam. Larja, Jeko. Not so the Shako and Shamish.
There are many people who have given their lives for Tibet, and given their lives for Tibet, and they were put into prison, and they're still struggling with their health, even after coming out from prison. And the belief and the spirit they have is unspeakably firmly with standing aligned with His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So these things is something unspeakable on many levels, and we need to know that.
Natsu Shiga in Siko, Doctor Chigder in the Thunder Ejutan Natsu Kachim Buzri. Natsu Tonto Mabu, Zonkana, Myongo Yori. Natsu Jenson Dimi Zanzan, the Kotsu, Hakwa, and Kotsu Kandis Simpamjeri, Simdigjeri. Natsu Shiga, Doctor Chigders in them Thunder Zeju, Shiga Kachimburi. Tani in Siko, Natsu Shiluna Yuri, Kayon Mari, Ramalon Paz, the Jerkevs the Kayon Kayaks that are Kazin of Junguri, Yenayon, Natsu Murko, Mike the Shiga. Uncle Tongon Jojo to Shiga Kachimburi. Tani Janga Yiri on you and Jojo Shiga Kachimburi.
It's really important in our community to have unity we need to get together. There are thousands of Tibetan prisoners who are suffering, going through a lot of tortures inside Tibet. And we really shouldn't be spending our time on all those not needed small issues within our community. And this is something that I would like to tell you, and especially in terms of Tibetan language, I think it's really important for us who are living outside Tibet that study our language. I know it's really hard since we are in a foreign country that we have to study other language, but living in other language, but I request you to put Tibetan first and other languages second.
Nga tsu wonna ni tsika da sosu chundang rikzhong hami yangmi ni da zhong yong tsika rikzhong ta janaka meper zonda da janaka ngowa jirka yori dogin kamsima. Nga tsu ndana ranga lopa indi nga tsu yinchi maniga hama sun gan kirtaya sosu chundang rikzhong tang nga tsu nangla tondi tsika hama su yinchi maniga woke jirjo ta shiga kachin bodare. Hama su paga so yinchi yinke jabjagna ता ngachu murgta chhasaga lokore ke khrzga inchi jana ngachu ke khrzga shiga yore
Inside Tibet, what Chinese authorities is doing right now is trying to completely eradicate us. The culture we get from our ancestors are getting restricted to learn it, and their goal is to synthesize all Tibetans. So my call for Tibetans who are outside, especially the parents, please take a responsibility to let your children preserve Tibetan culture and language. And when you are at home, please speak only Tibetan to them. If you speak English to them, if there's one person who is speaking English, a Tibetan parents who are speaking English to their children, then there's one person who are killing the Tibetan language.
ngachu yinchi maniga hama sore sosu panja su yinchi maniga shigo sosu urje dai tsiko pagusura kojeri yinchi maniga woke jagju ngachu wom mark tsiko tonchog mo nyong yore khotsu riwa ngachu tere ngachu wonnang gachu gurgu nyong yore gachu gurgu nyong yore si chetre ngachu mark chutang rigjong sosu kai ke chetre tide ngachu yinchi maniga sosu rigjong chipti dakchong yeju sosu worket wait of John Jota Shiga Kachim Bosre, sosu namata, sosu in opa thing that Ishimoniga, worket the Chachu Shig Sachim Bosre, Shig Sachim Bosre, Natsu way worket the Natsu Kurchu Mina, Murjambas Kuchu Kamara.
So my call for everyone is that we must speak Tibetan within our family and friends. There are thousands of Tibetans who are suffering under Chinese authority, and this is for Tibet, and they did it for Tibet, and they did it for Tibetan religion, language, and preservation of all the cultural identity. So I hope that everyone will do something to preserve our culture, our language, and our religion.
Matsun dimmer tonchong mopos ko nyongo yore, to si chetre, ngazu chutang rikjong ko chetre. Yinchi maniga ngazu way woket of Jangjo to Shiga Kachimbo, the Shigo Muxer Kinsaka, Hamasun Gankadok Katoyan.
So there are thousands of Tibetans are still suffering inside Tibet, and they did it because of preservation of Tibetan identity, language, culture, religion. So specifically, I'm requesting all the parents out there, please try to preserve Tibetan language, Tibetan religion, and culture to your children.
Tani hada gamba sunna wonni yono so ngatsu ndogen kamsim kangni yonna ngatsu sasi savni gena janak ngatsu nani tawarta katsu diktu nyo yore katsu chardon yore katsu say yore katsu chamkhan abdi yore tosu ngatsu gamba so hakogra inchi mani so su wurchi so ndare paga so inchi mani so su nyo murk nyo no ta shigop shek gore ngatsu mapshin na gamba so zuksona 답 산는 요 말은 묵슬 그인스 가서 버거도서 마음 월 그인스 순자 버전은 포소로 와.
Especially, I believe there are, I believe there are a lot of parents who came from Tibet and knows all those sufferings, all those people who were put in prison or killed, and know specific stories from your own region. And I hope that you can share all these stories with your children. If you don't do it, then we are not able, your children are not able to learn from you. And in that sense, we are not actually telling our stories, and there won't be a next generation or the seeds of Tibet, future seeds of Tibet will find out of our stories.
버거소 있나 인치머니 그 감바소인스 그다 소수 뇽노 뇽철당 워그 다가 니서다 인치머니인스 그 냔족지 족 타주 다시긴 나소나 원능긴스 그 버거 총총소 자나 가리지가 요래진다 자나게인스 그 자tum 자카다라 자나게인스 그 자치 추치 자카다라 자나 르그종테인스 그 버거 차카인스 그 워천 족고 요래 띠네다 나소 라밥지가 요래 워그 추당 르그종인스 그 메벌소 요래 나주 그르그종 추당 르그종 나주 딱종 마이나 딱 스스그 딱종 안데 나주 마스터 소 우즈야다 나주 켓다 나주 이라 무슨 거요라 디디 yenchimmani게 있고 나주 워켓다라 오이 메츠크 소수 추당 르그종 라이시고 토르나 예도 하마수 yenchimani게 간스 코도 카투 타신 나주 카츠 고르고 뇽고 요레 시가 토수 셈니 맘포르제조 카투 타신 나주 강아소로 강립다도 나주 카탄르파 오크점너리 나주 남이 나주 오이엔너리 나주 잠바 제르케 잠바 강리잖아 나주 잠바서 척마다 나주 남이 오르리 고 마시 와타 나주 고 캠프 타 마주 와서 나주 오르리 남이 오르리
Especially for the children who are here, please listen to your family. Please listen to your parents and learn about their stories. And there are thousands of Tibetans who are suffering inside Tibet. And this is something that we all children should do to preserve our Tibetan language and culture. And being Tibetan, Tibetan language and identity, being Tibetan identity or the culture, religion, these are our assets. And I request that you don't forget all these important things, and we should know that no matter where we live, that our bonds, blood will build as a Tibetan, and we will be Tibetans forever.
Taning ngata ngandadagen 그 다 버거토스 그 제캡 너디 제캡 그 톱당리 첨그 요스당리 라스파니 시그리 디디 나주 오크가 니스당에서 그 할리바는 자탁 그 시그 nhập 차오 그 디미세 드드 요레 디디 나주 냠드 잔소리 드니 초파거리 드라미 톱당 그 쇼라 나주 오크 니스당도 가 소수 문이 그 치와 총화게 그 특실인데다 나주 딘타 마스코 와르데 그 식적조도 시그 같이 보들 나주 녀시가 그 가큰 말이다 나주 너희 감성 그 니도 오스인 바라 가정인 그 강크 요리
Since there are a lot of Tibetans who are growing up in free world with the foreign living in another language and accessible in another language, and you have the capability to let more people know about Tibet. So I request you all to raise the Tibetan issue to international platforms like United Nations, like international human rights organizations. You have the quality and you have the knowledge to do that. And this is not something should be done by individual or individual family. It is something that everybody should do for Tibet as a whole country.
소마 티지 제가조
때문에 동지를 가지고 있는 고맙게 해주세요. 이런 차잖아요. 아니 그래서 둘째 내부 마시고라 남기는 지금 무슨 마시고라 남기는 제고 가질 수가 리가 가지고 계시나다 그거를 드리고 보고 싶어서 그래서 아니 계시는지 자아 표준이 있게는 표준이 아니 지금 배배가 생각하고 배려도 못해 이거 팬티가 소소히 공부를 하셔서 나 소리 tuk제치 쉬는 남길라네 아니 재미제어도 나중에 아니 강의 친구 영 이기다가 수고다 아니 소수 친구 중에 좋아요 아주 친구 중에 친구 소개해 주세요 아니 내가 지금 1세기 학과도 아니 어느 친구들이나 심슈파에 누가다 심슈초에 조용샤에서도 아니 내가 정말 메디슨 이번 참에 참시 두시시 이제 뭐부터 비상이 이번 참에 두시시 아니 다라이나 저거 좋아했지 그거다 직접 하시죠 아니 다른데는 저 메디슨 저도 처음에 남기는 똥이 민서스 같이 가지고 쇼를 주잖아요.
조금만 편편하.
아니 민망하게 하는 거는 그래서
Amena sendo kanyama sebu koji jankatane zete fulantu
Oh Ngã